Things I can do when I'm 16. Ride a moped. Buy a lottery ticket. Fly a hang glider. And join the army. Change my name. Get married. Have sex with Tyler or Kai or Kieran.
Happy birthday!
Make a wish.
Ta-da! What'd you think?
Wow, that's another.
Father's been working on that for months. It's the most powerful, spiritual, inspirational.
That's your old bike, isn't it?
Might be.
Thanks. Thanks for everything.
So what's the birthday girl want to do today then?
I got a few ideas.
Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me a real good time. Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me a real good time. Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me a real good time.
I've left my keys in my room. Don't let anyone touch it. You start the moped with the key. To go faster, you pull back the throttle. To slow it down, you gotta...
Roll forward on the throttle.
Do you want me to show you? Thank you. Right, these are the brakes. Right, just go easy to start with. Apart from that, it's just like riding a normal bike. Which of course you know all about. Just watch what I do.
Thanks, James. I think I'll stick with my bike.
Charlie! Oh, Charlie, wait for me.
What do you want, Kieran?
I just want to tell you how beautiful you look today, and just to double check that your birthday is today, isn't it?
Why? You got me a present?
Well, that depends. You still on for, you know, later?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Okay, I'll see you later, Charlie. Happy birthday.
Lucky dip, please.
How old are you?
16 today.
Can you prove it?
No. I just thought...
You just thought what? You want me to gamble so you can gamble, is that it? You want to get me closed down? You want to see my family starve? You want my kids out on the street? What's with all this gambling anyway? Why don't people try working for a living? If you want to gamble, how about mining in Bolivia? Or eating a blowfish's liver?
Do you want me to come back with proof?
Give the girl a cigar.
I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Don't bother. The machine is broken and it won't be fixed till Thursday.
my hands on this little...
It's me they're after.
Come on.
Whoa.
I know. It makes me feel alive. Every day I see you coming through the estate, and I sometimes wonder, give me that.
What is it anyway?
It's a list.
I can see that, but...
If you must know, it's a list of every single thing that I couldn't do yesterday, that I can do today.
When you're 16, you can leave home. How come that's not on your list? It'd be top of my list, if I had a list.
Hey, Charlie! Never let it be said I'm not the romantic type. I've come bearing gifts. Chocolates, flowers, and a little something to get us in the mood. Oh, come on, Charlie. I don't have to huff and puff and blow this door down. Come on, Charlie, I mean it.
Can you see our house from here?
Yeah. Not too far. Just on the waterfront, below the rainbow. What?